to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a storeroom makeover, transformation, clean up, sort out, inspo kind of video. I will currently show you my storeroom. It's my storeroom, my utility room, the junk room. We all have one. We all have one. This is currently what it looks like. It's a hot mess in here. So we're gonna sort through it. I've got some storage stuff going in, some stuff that I probably just need to like declutter and go through. It's just less than desirable, if I'm honest with you. So yeah, we're gonna go through this today and sort it out. I bought the storage stuff like I said. I also have a little trolley that I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with. I brought a new sign as well. So in the hallway we kind of just have boxes and things that need to go in there as well. So first off, apologies about any lighting if it's quite yellowy, I'm aware. But let's get into it. So this is my before. So I'm going to first start off by taking everything out of the room, organising that a little bit into different categories so that when I put it back in the room it is a little bit more organised. I'm also just moving my little console table from the hallway because obviously it has a glass face on. I don't want to accidentally knock it and smash it, which is definitely something I would do. Right, so I've emptied everything. I'm just gonna hoover up and quickly mop the floor. Just start with like a blank canvas. That's my little bin bag I've made. And then I've divided things into sections. So I've got painting stuff, which I'm probably gonna get rid of most of it because it's not actually mine. I need to give it back to the person's it is. It's like boxes. IKEA bags, big bags. Trees. I thought I had many more trees than this, which now means that I need to buy more trees. Our big tree, packages for like sending packages, obviously, wrapping paper, Christmas stuff, cleaning stuff, ironing board, hoovers and what have you, a little memory box which I might transfer into one of the clear boxes, but we'll see. And then this is like a travel storage things. It's got like our adapters in there and like bags, you know what I mean, storage bags and all that. So I'm just gonna give this a hoover and a quick mop, and then I'm probably gonna just start putting things into the storage bins. We need to start with the Christmas stuff because I think quite a lot of that is broken, or some of it's broken anyway because I heard cracking, so that's not a good sign. But we'll catch up once I've hoovered and whatnot. So I'm just using the big clear box to put all the Christmas stuff in because, like I said, some of the baubles did smash. Actually, it was only 3 or 4 that smashed, which was quite well. But obviously the boxes were just a little bit more sturdy than the sacks that I had all of the baubles in. And I did cut myself a little bit, so you'll see in the next clip that I've just got a little plaster on my finger. But yeah, basically just putting everything in this storage box. I've got so many baubles, and it's so weird because the theme that I had last year was like green and orange and quite like rustic, and this year I'm going for a completely different vibe. So I don't really know what to do with those baubles because I'm going to get new baubles. Don't know how many times I can say baubles until it sounds weird. I think
already sounds weird, but yeah, just going to be putting all this into the storage boxes, and I'm also going to be putting my memory stuff into a storage box as well. So now I have the fun task of putting everything back. I was so happy that everything fits so perfectly. You're going to see in a sec that I'm going to put this shark box in, and I struggled so much. I think because it had absolutely nothing in there, so it was really lightweight, but obviously it was a bit of a bulkier package. It just kept falling and it wouldn't go where I wanted it to go, and it was just a bit of a kerfuffle. But finally it got in and it was secure in the end, so we're just going to leave him there and pretend he doesn't exist anymore, because it was just, I think honestly, because he was empty and there was nothing in there, it just wouldn't do what I wanted it to do. But thankfully everything fit in perfectly. I did have to put my Apple Mac box upside down for it to fit, but I don't use it that often, if ever, so it's just great just to kind of slot in. Everything fit perfectly, like I said. There you go, you can see it. I've put it upside down, slides in, job's a good one.
Right, we're gonna make this trolley. I got it from the range. It was 20 quid. We're gonna make that now.
decided for the trolley that the top shelf will be laundry stuff, because obviously this is going in my laundry room. It is just the most accessible, it's the most used. So laundry stuff at the top. The middle shelf is kind of other cleaning products, and then the bottom shelf is anything to do with the floor.
So I know it still looks kind of cluttered, but this won't be here in a sec because I'm going to sort everything out. But let's get adding into this little thing here. I'm praying, honestly, that everything fits. Fingers crossed. The dustpan and brush will go on the bottom, and we'll work through it. Okay then guys, this is it. Like I said, I know it still looks really cramped, but it is so much more accessible for us. There's nothing now on here, so there's no junk. I do want to get like a little, just like a little pot to kind of put colour catchers in, and like any rubbish that we collect in here from like the washing machine. My little picture, this was from the range. I don't think it was any more than like £6. It just says this home has endless love and laundry. And then we have my big tree, some little trees like I said that didn't fit. That's our old Hoover and our old mop that we just keep for backups, and then our broom and our mop is down there. My Shark, which is the best vacuum ever. I have my little cleaning trolley now. So this has all of our like clothes washing at the top, just so it's super accessible. And then going down we have cleaning bits for the rest of the house, all my Sephora's, towels and what have you. And then at the bottom is just my Shark accessories, and then the Flash mop pads are there. Washing basket stays there, and then over here everything's still kind of like laid out the same. The ironing board's there, but things are just in boxes now, so it's way easier. But that is it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, I'm just really excited to use this space now. So that is it. If you did enjoy this, please give this video a thumbs up. I can't wait to decorate for fall and everything. I'm going to make a video about that, like a clean fall decorate, how to make a candle, because I'm going to make my own candle to go in there. So stay tuned for that as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you soon. Bye.